The Holy Stone drone is a remote-controlled quadcopter that can be used to take aerial photographs and videos. It has a built-in camera that can be controlled via a smartphone or tablet. The drone also has a number of pre-programmed flight modes, such as Follow Me and Orbit, which make it easy to capture interesting footage. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am presenting the Holy Stone drone in detail briefly. The best Holy Stone drone links are given in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Holy Stone HS-190 Mini Drone. The HS-190 is a mini drone that can be folded and carried easily. It has a powerful air pressure altitude hold function that allows you to release the throttle stick and the drone will stay at its current height. The drone also has a headless mode and one key return function that makes it easy to control and maneuver, especially for beginners who are not yet skilled. The HS-190 also has a high-speed rotation function that allows the drone to do 360-degree circles and fly at high speeds. Advantages: altitude hold function, foldable and easy to carry, high-speed rotation. Number 2. Holy Stone HS-420 Mini Drone. The Holy Stone HS-420 Mini Drone is a great choice for those looking for an easy-to-use drone with a variety of fun features. The one-key start and altitude hold make it easy to take off and hover, while the headless mode ensures you won't lose direction. The drone also has a variety of flight modes, including high and low speed, to make it suitable for both experienced and novice pilots. The 720p HD FPV camera captures high-quality video and clear photos, while the Wi-Fi real-time transmission ensures you won't miss a thing. The powerful battery gives you up to 9 minutes of flight time, making it perfect for extended play. Advantages: speed adjustment, 720p HD FPV camera, mini and portable. Number 3. Holy Stone HS-430 Drone. The Holy Stone HS-430 drone is a great choice for those who are looking for a drone that is both easy to fly and has a great camera. This drone has a 2.4 GHz wireless connection that makes it easy to connect to your smartphone or tablet. The Holy Stone HS-430 also comes with a 6-axis gyroscope that makes it easy to keep the drone stable in the air. The Holy Stone HS-430 drone also comes with a 2 megapixels HD camera that can take pictures and videos in 720p resolution. Advantages: FPV drone with 1080p camera, 39 minutes long flight time, mini and portable.